Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editor with Microsoft Word. In this video, I will show you how to create a clickable hyperlink in MS Word with your PDF without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to make sure you import your PDF file into MS Word. So how do we do that? First thing first, go ahead and make sure you click on File. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Open. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Browse, then locate where you have your PDF. I have my PDF in desktop, so I'm going to use this particular PDF. Okay, so I have my PDF. I'm going to use this PDF right here. I'll click on Open, and then go ahead and click on OK. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on Enable Editing, then click on OK. Now we are here. So how do we add a clickable link to this particular PDF? So for that, first thing first, you need to make sure you highlight a text. Like for instance, I want to make this a clickable delivery. Highlight on it. When you highlight on it, right click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for link. So under the link right here, you can link a clickable to your document, picture, as the case may be, or what have you. So you can as well link emails, create a new document, place in the documents, and the right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Browse Page right here. So you have all this as Browse Page right here. So you can create a clickable link to any of these or recently files in your documents. However, I'm going to use current folder right here. So from the current folder here, we have download options right here. Okay. Now, from the download option, you can also choose any other file from your PC right here, just like what you see right here. Like, for instance, if you want to create a clickable link to a particular image to a PDF, so I'm going to use this particular folder right here, and I want to create a clickable link to this particular image, or you can use audio file, video, PDF, as the case may be. Let's say I want to create a clickable link for this particular PDF right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on OK, which simply means that I have successfully create a clickable link. So just like what you see right here. So if I click on this link right here and I press enter, it's going to redirect and load a new clickable. It's going to redirect and load a page, just like what you see right here. So this is the PDF that we create a clickable link for. Okay, that's successfully loaded. Now, once you are able to create a clickable link into your PDF like this, next thing you need to do is to save the document back into PDF. So for that, go ahead and click on File right here. Go ahead and click on Save As. Select your file destination. So I'm going to save this into my desktop now. Then I'll go ahead and change this to clickable link. Like so, I'll save it in desktop. Then I'll go ahead and make sure I choose file type right here. I'll click on PDF right here and go ahead and click on save. Now it has been successfully saved and open up like so. So we have the clickable link right here. So if I click on this delivery now, and this is going to pump up, go ahead and click on allow, click on yes, and it's going to load to the particular link that we have to the PDF. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.